speech class. My name is Samantha Huntley. I'm originally from Martinez, California. It's a small town outside of San Francisco Bay. After I lived in San Francisco Bay area, I actually moved to Yosemite and lived in Yosemite Valley for about 4 years. And then I moved to Colorado from Yosemite and stayed in Colorado for 2 years before I transferred here. Um, my major is I actually have two majors. I'm doing genetics and zoology, so those are both really interesting. The reason I'm taking this course is because I'm really not all that comfortable with my public speaking skills. I'd really like to improve them. So that's probably my number one reason for doing this class. Um, it's just to better myself. Okay. 3 things that I'm proud of. I'm really proud of the fact that I'm putting myself through school. Um, it's really difficult to work and to take classes at the same time, but it's really rewarding as well. So I'm really glad that I'm doing that, and I'm proud of myself for it. I'm also really proud that I have moved to 3 states in the last 6 years. So that's a really cool thing that it's really given me a lot of life experience moving that many times. I'm really proud of that. Another thing I'm really proud of, I guess, is that that I'm a really good cook. I know that sounds kind of silly, but I love cooking, and I love being able to cook for large groups of people. And it makes me really proud to do so, and do so well, hopefully. Okay, so what I'd love to hear speeches about, I'd love to hear speeches about present day events and news. I'd also love to hear speeches regarding like people's personal majors, what they're interested in, what they're going for. It's really interesting to me, because they're topics in which anyone who wants to be more knowledgeable could benefit from. So those are ones I'd like to hear. Things that I really wouldn't like to hear, I don't really like speeches about things that are broadly known or overdone. I mean, like debate topics. Although they're interesting to hear people's point of view, a lot of times a point of view is just overwhelming when you hear it so many times, and if everyone already knows the information, it's not as interesting to listen to. So that's it for me. I hope this was long enough. Hello to all of you, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask.